Welcome back everyone to another video on this channel. This time we talk about how to increase your drawing skills on the iPad. Now, I'm not sure if you already have one, but in case you don't, I would highly recommend you to get the Apple Pencil. It's not like I recommend you to get anything from this, this is just, I'm not affiliated in any way, but like, you want to make sure that you get the Apple Pencil to draw because, you cannot really use that finger the same way as you can use the pencil. So obviously get that, even though there are some third-party styluses from the internet which you can buy, but the Apple Pencil is always going to be the best one for the iPad. Now, the next step to master your learning or drawing skills, right, is to get an app which allows you to get the most out of your creativity. So there is an app called Procreate, which, isn't the cheapest one available, right? It's kind of pricey, but it's only one-time purchase. But I would recommend you to get that in case you've seen some professionals just drawing or whatever, doing stuff on their iPad. Chances are that they're using this kind of app. So I would recommend you to get a professional app straight away. So when you learn, you can already just start with the best and latest and greatest apps, so when you actually learn, you learn on that app. Also, you need to get some sort of course or like tutorial if you want to get better. And all of the, tutorials on YouTube, they most likely use the advanced software like the Procreate, which I just mentioned. But also there are some other apps which you might be interested in. For example, there is the Adobe Fresco, right? So let me just look that up real quick. And this app also just works well for drawing and painting. And I'm pretty sure you're going to find some courses and learning material for this app as well. And also, there is the sketchbook for some general, sketches and stuff. So, yeah, the sketchbook is a free app which you can get, and it also works very well. It's really good for learning and stuff. So I would recommend you to get perhaps even the 3 of these apps, all of them, and make sure to learn and practice and just get some sort of tutorial on YouTube or whatever to just find inspiration and instructions on how to get better. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up if you did, subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next video.